Hello. I'm Claude Tuyisenge, a postgraduate student, in Soil Science and Plant Nutrition Department, in Turkey. We are going to talk about soil and how it has been seen by the human being. First and foremost, I am going to share with you some quotes about the soil and the earth. A person known as Quintus Ennius, who had lived from 239 to 169 BC, quoted that no one regards what is at his feet, we all gaze at the stars. Currently, how do you consider the soil compared to other natural resources and valuable items around you? The other person, named Henry David Thoreau, who had existed between 1817 and 1862, said that heaven is beneath our feet as well as above our heads. Allow me to ask you one question. How valuable is the soil compared to your properties? I think that everyone can find a particular answer depending on his or her life, way for living, profession, and interest, among many others. The last quote was made by William Cooper, The Task, 1780, that the earth was made so various that the mind of desultory man, studious of change and pleased with novelty, might be indulged. After these quotes, how do you consider the soil in your daily life? Which quote reflects more your view of soil? What about people around you? Do they consider soil resources as of great value as other precious materials? Any of us can give a special answer. According to Heinrich, Brian, and George in 2001, these quotations explain how the soil which gives life and feeds the human being is seen in society. For a long period, such opinions have been held by humans. Nowadays, most people are still at the knowledge level of Quintus Ennius, who existed for more than 2,000 years ago. They take for granted the food that is produced by the soil, and the clean water and air which are provided by the soil. The Coopers' and Thoreau's fascination and wonder of soils is rarely felt or expressed in last days. But, if one looks closely and think carefully, the soil is still wondrous. The soil, which is known as the solid but porous surface of the earth to about 1 meter deep, the depth which is penetrated by plant roots, presents many several mysteries. The soil is exciting and mysterious as any other science and any other part of the universe. Now, I hope you learned a lot about such heaven which is not only beneath our feet, but also above our heads. It is highly valuable for us to live, and it is mysterious. So, let's keep it in good conditions for getting what we want from it in our daily life. Thank you for your interest in soil. But, subscribe, like, share and leave your comment. See you next.